This Baseplan Presents video features including additional PDF documents with a rental contract, focusing on the following areas: operating and safety instruction documents configuration, attaching PDF documents to the equipment models, creating a rental contract and option to view safety sheets, viewing safety sheets linked to the rental contract.
Okay, so I'm currently logged into Baseplan Enterprise. And so one of the things that's come up a couple of times when talking to customers is being able to include certain documents along with a rental contract that needs to go out. So the example might be that we're putting something out for rent and we might need to include certain PDFs, whether it be with the rental contract or it needs to be printed, or just people just need to be aware of these documents when they're engaging with their customers as well. So there's some functionality that we can actually utilize in Baseplan Enterprise around associating documents with make models, and that flows through to the rental contract automatically. So where this is set up is it's called operating and safety instructions in the configuration. So if you click on this, it will give you a list of all the make models in the system, as you can see here. And I can start searching for a model or a pricing group, but we've also got safety sheets and then service sheets. So two different types of documents that we can attach as part of it. And we can add and remove PDFs as required. So I can, for example, start searching for this crawler, for example. And when I tick the selected, I can say I want to add PDF to selected or PDFs, and I can choose the one I want. And it is going to attach that document as part of that particular make model. So when we create a rental contract, it's going to check, is there any documents that we do need to include as part of this rental contract, and just give me some prompts. So let's just go back now and then look at it from a rental contract standpoint. So if I go to rental, equipment rental, and I start that rental contract process and add that particular make model onto the rental contract, it will then check those documents, like I said. So let's go down to new contract wizard. Let's just create a customer for our site. And let's choose anyone for our contacts. All right, so we've got our contacts all set up. I won't fill out all the contract. I'm just going to hit OK. And this is where we're going to be selecting the type, make, model, maybe equipment number that we're going to be putting out as part of this. So I chose that compact crawler. And I can go through here and choose the one I want if I wanted to go down to the serial number. And I can also put in here any rates that I want as part of it as well. Now, when I hit OK, this is all pretty stock standard. I go back, it's going to prompt me, because I did it through the wizard, it's going to prompt and want to know if I want to create a delivery docket automatically as part of this process. I don't have to. And it's going to create that rental contract with all the information. It's going to add the details down the bottom. It's going to preview a rental contract automatically with the crawler that I just added in. And if we go back now, you can see here, there are ops and safety instructions available. Did you want to print these? So when you've created the rental contract, it's automatically checked that configuration table that I just did to check if there's any PDFs that need to go along with this rental contract. So if I say yes, you can see here, it's brought through that particular document as part of it. And then I have an option here whether I can either print it off, I can save it as a PDF, or potentially, if you wanted to, you could also include this as part of your stationery. So when you do print off or email a document, it might be included. So that would require a modification to your layout for your stationery, but there's a few different options there. And when you do print it, let's say you want to start tracking whether something's been done. If you do print it, it'll actually tick printed and have the date and time that it was printed as well. So you've got some auditing around what documents were sent or printed as part of that process as well. And basically, that's it really. So you can basically set up all of your different safety sheets, service sheets, attach multiple documents as part of it, add that to the rental contract, and just ensure that your team have the right documents available to them at hand as part of it. And if there is, for whatever reason, you need to go and print off that document again, see up here, I can click on safety and it will give me that document. So there's an ability to reprint that document and check it. If I went to a rental contract that didn't have any information here, so if I went to, just go back one, so we've got that one there. You can see here it's highlighted. If I went back one and to a different contract, you can see here it isn't highlighting in that sense. I clicked on it and there's no documents. So it checks that make model combination automatically as part of that process, and we'll let you know that there's any documentation that needs to be included. So hopefully this has given you some ideas on how you can improve your documentation as part of your rental contracts. If you have any ideas on future topics or any questions, please leave a comment in the section below, and look to see everyone in next week's Baseplan Presents session.